In this video, we're going to come up with the equation for the tangent line of this function at this given point. So for any a, the coordinates of this point would be, well, you would put this into the function and then it would jump to the line. So the coordinates here would be a comma a plus sine a. So our job is to work out the equation of this tangent line. So for example, the red line here is our function and this is our tangent line. So as you slide a about, it will always draw your tangent line. So that's the aim. Our job is to work out the equation of that tangent line. Okay, so let's start. So the equation of the tangent line, well, this is a straight line, so it's going to be of the form y equals mx plus c, meaning we need to know the gradient and we need to know the intercept. Well, if you want to know the gradient of this function, what you do is you differentiate this. So differentiate it, so dy by dx equals, well, differentiate this will then give us 1, and then differentiate this will then give us cos of x. So this thing here allows us to work out the gradient anywhere on this function, but we want to know the gradient specifically at this point here. So we need to know m right at this point here. So that would be, well, if you want to know the gradient right at this point here, put a into here. So the gradient at this point here would be 1, well, put a into here, into the gradient formula. So this is our gradient formula. If you want to know the gradient right here, put a into there. So that would be 1 plus cos a. So this is our gradient. So we can now put this into the m. So that will then take us to here. That will then take us to here. So this is our m. This is our m. We now need to work out c. To work out c, we need to know one particular point on that tangent line. To work out c, we need to know one particular point. Well, we know one particular point on that tangent line. It's right here. So this is our x coordinate. This is our y coordinate. So we can now put this into the y. We can now put this into the x. So putting this into the y, that would then be us putting it into the y here. So now put this a into the x, this x here. So that would then become, this x here would then become a, and this y here would then become this thing here. So now we can work backwards to find c. So we've got to make c the subject. So let's multiply this out. That would, well, a times 1, that would be a, and then a times cos a, that would be this thing here, plus c. So now take away a from both sides. So these two will cancel each other out. And then you want to get c on its own. So take away this block from both sides. That will then give us this. So now we know the intercept. The intercept is given by this. So we can now put this back into here. Because earlier we knew the gradient and we needed to work out the intercept. But now we know the intercept. The intercept is this thing here. So let's put it into here. That will then give us this thing. So this is our intercept here. And this is our gradient m here. And then you've got your x, you've got your x. So anyway, the equation of the tangent line is given by this. So if you want to play about with Desmos, then create it yourself. So punch in the function x plus sin x, and then add your particle. So bracket a comma a plus sine a, close bracket. That would, where's our particle? Oh, add our slider, and then there you can see our particle. Let me just move this across. So this is our particle here. So now we need to come up with the equation for the tangent line. Well, the tangent line is given by this thing here. So we just need to punch this in. So that would be 1 plus cos a. That would be bracket 1 plus cos a, close bracket, x, and then our intercept is sine A minus cos A. So it would be plus sine A minus A cos A, and then as you slide A about, it will work out the gradient, and then it will work out the intercepts. From that, it will draw your tangent line. So you can zoom out, and then no matter where you are, it will work out. Well, it will draw the tangent line for you. Okay, and if you want to go further, then change the limit here. At the moment it's -10, so let's take it from -100 to +100. So now you can slide it further. So take it all the way down here, take it all the way up here, and so on. Okay.